always love to learn about the newest plants out on the market. So I'll tell you what, Amber knows all of that. You have all the retail, wholesale growers, of course, as well. So tell me, what are some of the hottest plants coming out?
So for 2018, now Kelly, you know all of our plants are based off consumer performance. So it's landscape performance. So something to look out for 2018 is Supertunia Lovey-Dovey. Now you like to paint your garden, right?
Oh yeah.
So that's the fun thing about what we do in this industry is paint your garden. And this is actually a bicolor. So it's actually like a pinwheel Supertunia with a pink pinwheel to it with the white edges.
Love
it's
it.
absolutely beautiful and it will mix with anything.
What's our number 2?
Our number 2 is our Appeal. So we actually have a new variety, new color, Tangerine Slice. And what's cool about our Thunbergias is they actually trail and they mix really well and it throws so many colors.
I love it because that can really match with any kind of a container. Number 3.
So number 3, which is by far my favorite, is Rockin' Deep Purple Salvia. So it will do great in the sun and it will also do well in the shade. And the Thunbergias love that one as well. It has a nice blue, deep purple, almost deep purple flowers as well, flute type flowers.
Yeah. Ooh, that deep bluish purple will be gorgeous. Those are your top 3. Make sure you get them in your garden this season.